Hello and welcome to today's quick guide. If you've just become a permanent resident in Canada and need to update your Canada Revenue Agency account, I'll show you how to ensure your tax and benefit details are correct. So start by collecting your new permanent residence details, your PR card number, social insurance number, and proof of residency like your PR confirmation letter. Note your new address and any changes in marital status or dependence, as these affect benefits like the GST and HST credit. Have these ready to avoid delays. Log into your CRA My Account at canada.ca or register using your SIN. Go to Profile Personal Information to update your address, phone, email, or marital status. To change from a temporary to permanent SIN, you need to call a certain number, as online updates aren't supported, says TurboTax Community Intuit.Canada. Provide your PR card number and SIN details. I had to call once to clarify my SIN. Be patient. After that, guys, for residency status updates, submit Form NR74, its determination of residency status, via my account or mail to your tax center, including your PR card copy. Also, guys, if updating dependents or benefits, send proof like a birth certificate for the Canada Child Benefit. Use my account's submit documents or mail to avoid interruptions, says canada.ca. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Check my accounts for updates within 2 to 3 weeks. Complex requests might take 20 weeks per canada.ca. And file your first tax return by April 30, 2025 to claim PR prorated credits. So guys, if you have guys updated yours, share below, like and subscribe, and I will see you very, very soon.